Alright, put this back in. Hook up our antenna. Hook up our power cords. Okay, it's cycling through the 6-disc CD changer. Alright, make sure that plug is seated. There we go, it's seated. Now we will turn on our ignition and see what happens. Here we go.
And
seen man facing two.
and as I hung up the phone.
Alright, that's all it was. It was those first 4 resistors I showed you. I don't know if it was one in particular, but just hit all 4 on both sides and looks like you're good to go. Then just put everything back in, connect everything back up.